Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the week on our GBPUSD. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be giving you guys back-to-back updates in the Telegram channel. So if you do not want to miss anything, right, subscribe to this channel, follow the Telegram channel. The link will be in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on GBP USD. Let's start with our trend. You can take a look at it. Our trend on GBP USD is a downtrend move. So you can see it, right? We are having a series of lower low and a lower high. This is our first low, right? Then when we add that low, we add this lower high. We add another lower low. Then here comes the lower high. This is our lower low. Then here comes the lower high. The market eventually gave us drop, pullback. It gave us another low. Then here comes the lower high. It gave us another low. Then here comes the equal lower high. This is an equal lower high. Our next movement on GBP USD should be another drop. So this is our next movement. So from this, I think this will be perfect for swing traders. You might want to open on the sell and take your profits around there, to this previous low, thereby giving 150 pips. I mean, with this movement on GU, you will likely and possibly grab 150 pips movement. This is exactly what our trend is telling us. It says we are dropping and market will most likely drop. So 150 pips will most likely be our target for the week. Now we need to leave a room for possibility. We all know that market tends to give is flexible, right? Right. We need to give room for possibility that market will likely change its trend and start pushing up. That is why you need to when we step up. That's why you need to be updated so that if in case market start giving us that movement, if in case market start pushing up, I'll give you guys an update. I will let you guys know that the trend has now changed to the upside. But right now, the trend is still a downtrend move. If in case the trend changes back to the upside, I will let you guys know. So that is why I want you guys to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and follow the Telegram. You will find the link in the comment section.